Welcome to another beautiful Brainfold Builders video. Today we will be going over Chapter 2 Programming Challenge 5. Line by line, baby, just how we like it. So let's get right into it. This one was asking you about making a mile per gallon calculator for a car. So we have our target statement up here and line at number 1. Now we have # include IO stream. That is input output stream that allows us to use C out and C in. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. I'll just flash this. You can read that if you want to. You probably won't, so let's move on. Now, keep in mind, include statements do not require a semicolon. Using namespace standard, you use a semicolon on that. You slap that right down there. And that just declares the namespace as the standard namespace. Boom, you can read that if you want to. Makes it so that you don't have to use the scope resolution operator. Now we got int main. This is our main function. This is where all your code will go for now. Now, at the top it's generally pretty good practice to declare variables that you're going to be using in a smaller program, and this is a smaller program. So we comment it as such, declaring and initializing variables. Now we got all of our different variables here, and keep in mind we are using the double data type. I am showing you here a different way to declare variables where if and only if they're all the same data type, you can declare them all on the same line with commas separated. And you can also be assigning values to the variable names. So we are assigning 16 to gallons, 312 to max miles, and we're leaving miles per gallon MPG alone for now. Now, keep in mind we got a semicolon just to top that right off. Now we're going to be calculating miles per gallons here. So we're going to be assigning the value of max miles divided by gallons to miles per gallon here. So MPG will be getting the value that is max miles divided by gallons, and it will hold that value. Now let's go ahead and output the result. So C out, make sure your little chevrons are opening to the right. Opening to the right. You're going to see the output. I always like remembering C out statements like that. Then make sure you have your double quotes, because this is a string, so we need double quotes. Mind the space here. I have the space there on purpose. End quote. And then you got your double chevron again, and then your MPG variable to output it, and then double chevron again, and then end L, which means end line, and then your semicolon just to tie it all in a knot. And then just for good practice, we're returning 0, so if we get a 0 returned at the end, everything ran as expected. I don't know about you guys, but I think I'm ready to run this. Alright, so we don't got any compiler errors. This is excellent. And it outputted your miles per gallon for this car is 19.5. Pretty good, pretty good. I think that is all for this video. If it helped you, feel free to leave a comment, maybe like, maybe subscribe. This has been Brainfold Builders, and we'll be continuing this series for the whole duration of the book. Thanks.